Assalamualaikum. We are Group 7 and we will presenting our access. The title is Process Synchronization in Windows 10. But before that, I'm going to introduce you about Group 7. My name is Sultan Faiz and there are also Aldizian and Raihan Rizkiaksel. So, synchronization. What is synchronization? Synchronization is a joint process and sharing data together can result in race condition or data inconsistencies. What about process synchronization? So, process synchronization means sharing system resources by processes in such a way that concurrent access to shared data is handled, thereby minimizing the change of inconsistent data.
What is a process synchronization in Windows? Windows operating system is a multi-threaded kernel that provides support for real-time application and multiprocessors. The following object types are provided exclusively for synchronization. Number 1 is event. Event is notifies one or more waiting threads that an event has occurred. For more information, see event objects. An event object is a synchronization object whose state can be explicitly set to signal by use of the setEvent function. Following are the two types of event objects. And number 2 is mutex. Number 2 is mutex. Mutex can be owned by only one thread at a time, enabling threads to coordinate mutually exclusive access to a shared resource. Number 3 is semaphore. Semaphore maintains a count between 0 and some maximum value, limiting the number of threads that are simultaneously accessing a shared resource. And the number 4 is waitable timer. Waitable timer notifies one or more waiting threads that a specific time has arrived. Next, what is a thread in process synchronization? Thread is a control flow of a process. A multi-threaded process contains several different control flows with the same address space.
Okay, next slide. Function of synchronization is to equate data stored on server with data on Windows. Okay, next slide. Kinds of synchronization. For the first is two-way synchronization. This synchronization process copy file on in both directions to reconcile change as needed. Files are expected to change in both locations. The second, one-way synchronization. Files are expected to change in one location only. To reconcile the change, the synchronization process copy file only in one direction. The third, visual synchronization. With Google Drive, you can synchronize files visually. Google Drive will compare and analyze the file and forward in two or more locations. The fourth, automatic synchronization. File synchronization can be run automatically without user intervention. The file can be synchronization every hour or every day according to the schedule. Okay. The fifth is synchronization between non-connected computers. For computers that are not connected to a network, synchronization can be achieved by using a portable USB drive. Okay, next slide. Problem synchronization when we use Google Drive or when we want to synchronize with Google Drive in Windows 10. The first, file is not synchronized between computer and Google Drive. The second, backup and sync start at preparing for synchronization. The third, the backup and sync client stop unexpectedly. 4. Unknown error occurred. 5. An unknown problem occurred, and Google Drive must be stopped. The 6. Authorization failure. You no longer have permission to look a file. Okay, this is the end presentation from our group. Before it, we apologize if there are errors or if there are wrong in the delivery of what in our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.